Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use wireless power sharing on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. If you want to use your Samsung to charge another device wirelessly, swipe down from the top of your screen, then go to Settings, then go to Battery, scroll down to Wireless Power Sharing and enable it. Now, I'm gonna flip the device like that and put another device in the center of it. You can see it starts charging without a cable using my Samsung Galaxy S24 FE internal power. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.